Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by locating the app file or tile so you can create a shortcut. This matters because the desktop shortcut points to a specific executable or app link. Open Start and type the app name, or open File Explorer to the program's installation folder and find the exe. Once done, make sure File Explorer and Start are visible so you can drag or right-click without losing focus. This initial step prevents broken shortcuts and ensures you create a reliable desktop link. Now create the shortcut. If you're in File Explorer, right-click the exe and choose Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut, or simply drag the file onto the desktop while holding the right mouse button and select Create Shortcut here. If you started from Start, use more Open File Location to expose the executable, then proceed. For Microsoft Store apps, pin to Taskbar first, then right-click the taskbar icon to open File Location or use a third-party utility. This handles apps without direct exe links. Finish by customizing and testing the shortcut. Right-click it, pick Properties to rename, change icon, or adjust compatibility and run as administrator settings so it launches correctly. Double-click to verify it opens the intended app. If it doesn't, check the target path in Properties and confirm the file still exists and your account has permission. If the path is wrong or missing, delete the shortcut and recreate it from the original exe or Start tile. That single check resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.